Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily record your Mac screen. First, press Command-Shift-5 on your keyboard to bring up the screenshot toolbar. This handy tool gives you quick access to all recording functions. You can then choose whether to record your entire screen or just a specific part of it. It's a straightforward way to capture exactly what you need. Before you hit record, take a moment to customize your settings. Click on Options in the toolbar to select your microphone if you want to add audio narration. You can also choose where your finished video will be saved, like your desktop or a specific folder. This ensures your recording is exactly how you want it. Once your settings are good, click the Record button to start capturing. A small square icon will appear in your menu bar, indicating that recording is active. When you're finished, simply click this square icon in the menu bar or press Command-Control-S to stop the recording. Your video will then be saved to your chosen location. After stopping, a thumbnail of your recording will appear in the bottom right corner. Click it to open the preview, where you can trim your video using QuickTime Player. You can also easily share your recording from this window. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.